We're now doing 15 challenge that involves 3 worksheets: paper goods, catering invoice and menu order. We begin with paper goods. Step 2, click on D4, put in an equals, click on B4, multiplication with Shift 8, click on C4, enter multiplication with Shift 8, click on E2. Click before the E and enter a $ using Shift 4. Click before the 2, enter a $ using Shift 4. This makes E2 an absolute reference. Press Enter, click on the cell again, hover on the fill handle, click and drag down to copy the formula down. Let's inspect the bottom one by double clicking and notice that the E2 has been kept while the other formulas have been adjusted so it refers to the cell to the left in the same column. Step 4, enter 6.5 as the tax rate. So we can do this in 2 ways. We can click on the cell and go up to the formula bar and put in a 6 where the 7 is, or we can do it in the cell by double clicking, selecting the 7 and typing a 6 and pressing Enter. Step 5, click the catering invoice tab. In C5 we need to delete the value, so click on C5 and press backspace to delete it. That's the same as using the delete key as well. Press Enter to accept that deletion. Click on the cell again, C5. We need this to refer to E13 on the paper goods. So we type in an equals. Without clicking on anything else, we go to the sheet 15 paper goods and click on E13 where the total is. In the formula bar you can see the cell reference E13 is mentioned. The sheet is in a single quotes with an exclamation mark after it. We press Enter to accept that formula. Step 7. Use the same steps to do the calculations for the sales tax on the 15 menu order worksheet. So we go to menu order, we go to D4, type in equals, click on B4, type Shift 8 for multiplication, click on C4, then Shift 8 for multiplication, then click on E2. In front of the E, put in a $ with Shift 4. In front of the 2, a $ with Shift 4. Press Enter, click on the cell, hover over the fill handle, the cursor changes to a plus, we click and drag down to fill the column. The figures match those in the diagram in the instructions. Let's go to step 8. So in cell 4 of the catering invoice, so let's go back to the catering invoice. In cell C4, we create a reference to the calculation we just did. So we type in equals, without doing anything else, we go to the menu order, click on the total, and at the top you can see in the formula bar, this is referring to the menu order E14. We press Enter and that value is copied into C4. Check that it matches, and it does, so we save clicking on the Save button at the top.